Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Jamal Sir Mathematics, our favorite channel. So, आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? आज हम देख रहे हैं ज्योमेट्री, फोर्थ चैप्टर 4.2 कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. ठीक है बच्चों? सो 4.1 हमने इससे पहले सॉल्व किया है. आई एम श्योर यू ऑल हैव सीन दोज वीडियोस. जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियोस देख लो ताकि आप आगे और बेहतर समझ सको. ओके, सो लेट्स मेक mathematics more easy and more enjoyable. Look, question number 3. पहले हम क्वेश्चन रीड करते हैं. Construct triangle ABC. So as we know, the chapter name is what? Construction of triangle. It means हमें triangle draw करना है. So the same thing, construct triangle ABC. Information क्या दी है? Such that BC is given 6 centimeter. Angle ABC is given 100 degrees. One most important information, AC minus AB is how much? 2.5 centimeter. So let's start the solution. Right? What is given? Construct the triangle ABC. So triangle ABC. What do we know here? Here we know the basic informations, which is BC 6 centimeter. Next, angle ABC is how much? 100 degrees. And one last information, that is AC minus AB is given 2.5 centimeter. So these three vital informations are given in your question. और हम इन तीन इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज करते हुए सबसे पहले हम क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे? ट्राइंगल ABC, राइट? So let's draw a triangle ABC. Let's say this is my triangle A, B and C. Okay students? So let's name it A, B and C. Where angle B? Look, ABC. The central angle is what? B. This is given 100 degrees. So what is this students? ये है क्या? ये है हमारी rough diagram. As you all know, before starting any construction, we need to draw what? Rough diagram. और अब इस rough diagram को follow करते हुए हम क्या बनाएंगे? हमारी actual और real diagram. कैसे बनेगा? So we'll follow this rough diagram. Okay students? चलो start करते हैं. Any information? Yes. BC is 6 centimeter. Now let's start. Take your pencil and scale. हम सब जानते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन कहां से स्टार्ट होगा? अपने बेस से. यहां बेस क्या है? बेस इज BC. So first we'll draw a base BC. Right? Let me draw. Suppose this is my base BC. So this is my point B and this is C. So this way we got BC. The measurement is what? 6 centimeter. Next, so first step done. Now second step, angle P. How much? I need to draw measurement angle B of 100 degree. So what we'll do now? Now we'll remove our protector. We'll keep this protector at P. Now where is my baseline? My baseline is where? ये जो black line है, ये क्या है हमारी baseline? क्यों ये baseline है? Because BC is my base. So this line becomes baseline. Now from this zero, how much I need? I need 100 degrees. So from this onwards, we'll take 100 degrees somewhere here. Right? So this is my 100 degree. I will match these 2 points. Right? So this is my 100 degrees. Immediately we'll write here 100 degree. What next? Next क्या है हमारे पास? Second information also done. Now third one, the very important information. Look, AC minus AB. What we are doing here? यहाँ हम माइनस कर रहे हैं. We all know the rule of subtraction is what? Greater minus smaller, right? Bada minus chota. So who is greater here? So we'll follow the basic formula. Greater minus smaller. Who is greater? Greater is AC. Smaller कौन है? Smaller is AB. But AB है क्या? Let us back to this. ये रहा AB. AB is what? AB is angle making side. AB क्या कर रहा है? AB ये एंगल बना रहा है 100 डिग्री. हाँ. So अगर ये एंगल बना रहा है तो ये है क्या? ये तो है. Look, AB is smaller than AC. दिख रहा है छोटा है ये. If it is smaller, so where will go? We will move downwards. क्यों हम डाउनवर्ड जा रहे हैं? बिकॉज AB is smaller. अगर एंगल मेकिंग साइड, इफ द एंगल मेकिंग साइड इज स्मॉल, so we'll move downwards. So since this side is small, so we'll move downwards. अब नीचे आओ, right? So हम क्या करेंगे? Now we'll take scale and pencil. We'll continue this line. समझा हम लोग को? We'll draw a line downwards, straight line. Continue with this angle B. Now next, we need to draw how much? We need to draw a segment of 2.5 centimeter. अभी segment draw करना है. So what you will do? We will remove rounder and scale. We'll measure 2.5 centimeter. Angle कहाँ पर है? C पर angle है? नहीं. कहाँ पर angle? Angle P पर है. So this is my point B, right? I will take 2.5 centimeter in my rounder. Rounder में हमने 2.5 centimeter लिया. And now we will keep this rounder at point B, right? Remember where we are going? हम जा रहे हैं downwards, right? This is my down line. So I'll take my rounder downwards and I'll draw one arc of 2.5 centimeter. Of what? 2.5 centimeter. Let's give this point as point D, right? So we are taking this as point D. Now what we'll do? Now again we'll take scale and pencil. Can you see 3 points? D, B, C. Yes. With the help of scale, we'll match these 2 points. Look. Now we got a triangle. Triangle D, B, C. Right, students? Now what you can see? BC is what? 6 centimeter. BD is what? 2.5 centimeter. What about DC? Do we know this DC? No. This we don't know. So ये हमारी कौन सी साइड हो गई? Unknown side. We don't know the length of DC. इसकी वैल्यू हमें नहीं मालूम है, right? So अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम इसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे. जिसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं है, हम वो सिलेक्ट करेंगे. So I have selected what? DC. अब हमने इस DC को सिलेक्ट कर लिया है, right? अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसको बाइसेक्ट करेंगे. So I'll take my rounder, right? Keep your rounder at point D. हमने D पे रखा इसको. Approximately more than half. More than half लिया हमने. One arc down from this point. One arc down, one arc up. Right? Next, same distance. कहाँ से लेंगे हम? Second point is point C. Same distance. One arc down, one is up. Now what we'll do? Now we'll match these 2 points. अब इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को क्या कर देंगे? मैच कर देंगे. Let us match. Let's match these 2 points. Right? So this is my perpendicular bisector. Right? Sorry, perpendicular bisector of whose? This is perpendicular bisector for DC. Okay, students? This was 6 centimeter. Now next, what we'll do further? Further we'll extend this line, right? And here we are getting one point. What this point suggests you? What was my triangle name? A, B, C. So this is my B and C. So this point of contact is what? This will give me A. So this way you will get your triangle A, B, C. Now to draw this triangle, what do we left? We left third side. So I'll match my points A and C. Right? Now look. Now you got your desired triangle A, B, C, and where the angle is what? 100 degree and the base is 6 centimeter. The most important one, this point is very important. Angle making side is what? Smaller. क्योंकि angle making side smaller है, look into your rough diagram. Angle making side is what? Smaller. So will go down. ये side छोटा तो कहाँ आएंगे? नीचे आ जाएंगे. Clear everyone? Hope you all have understood and enjoyed this video. If you like this solution, so please do subscribe my channel Jamal Sir Mathematics. और हम आगे भी ऐसी वीडियोस लाते रहेंगे. Thank you so much.